Deep in the wild, untamed forests, where nature reigns supreme, a team of hunters embarks on a daring pursuit. This isn't just a hunt, it's a test of instinct, strategy, and survival. Join us now as we step into the heart of the wilderness. When the sun rises, the fields are no longer peaceful. Wild boars, the silent destroyers, no longer wait for the cover of night. They strike in broad daylight now, tearing up cornfields, ripping through vegetable gardens. Even breaking into residential areas in search of food. Worse yet, there have been reports of them attacking livestock, guard dogs, and even forest hikers. A charge from a full-grown boar can break an adult's bones. But what makes them truly terrifying is how fast they breed. One pair can produce over 20 piglets a year. No natural predators, no control. They spread like wildfire through dry woods. That's why this fight can't wait any longer, and that's why today, the hunting party sets out. In many rural parts of the United States, wild hogs are more than just an ecological problem. They're a direct threat to people's livelihoods, and when government resources fall short, it's the locals who become the last line of defense. A mixed hunting team, made up of local farmers, volunteers, and experienced shooters, gathers at first light. All members are licensed, fully equipped, and operating under strict state regulations. On the back of a dusty pickup truck, weapons are checked one last time: semi-automatic rifles with thermal scopes, surveillance drones, and motion sensors. Just as they arrived, the drone camera captured a dramatic scene. Across a stretch of lush green pasture, a massive wild hog was being chased by a pack of hunting dogs. The high-stakes pursuit had already begun before anyone even set foot on the ground. The hog broke free from the pack and sprinted toward an open clearing. One of the hunters took position, raised his rifle, and fired. The first two shots sliced through the air, grazing the hog's back, but the third shot hit home. The massive beast collapsed instantly, skidding to a halt in the dust. The clearing fell silent. Only the sound of heavy breathing and the distant hum of the drone remained. As the hunting team was preparing to move on, a sudden burst of barking erupted from the edge of the field. It wasn't a tracking bark, it was a warning. Without hesitation, the team sprinted toward the sound. Tall grass parted under their feet. Then they saw it. A massive wild hog, nearly 200 pounds, squaring off with the dogs. Its bristled fur stood on end, mud caked across its shoulders, eyes glowing red. It didn't run, it charged. The dogs scattered. One hunter raised his rifle. The distance was tight, no room for error. In a single breathless moment, he aimed and pulled the trigger. Direct hit. The hog collapsed mid-charge. The threat stopped cold. Just when it seemed like things had quieted down, another wild hog suddenly burst out of the brush. It let out a sharp grunt and charged straight at the hunters, a living projectile, with the pack of dogs close behind. The team reacted instantly. One hunter dropped to a knee, locked in, and took the shot. A single, sharp crack. The hog went down hard, less than 20 feet from their position. But it wasn't over yet. From another corner of the field, a second hog broke cover, trying to make a wide escape, but it didn't get far. One of the hunters spotted it just in time. As the animal turned to flee, the rifle rose. Too late. The second shot landed clean, right through the shoulder. The hog dropped instantly. 4 hogs, 4 clean takedowns. In this fight, there was no room for hesitation. After sweeping the area, the hunting team wasted no time celebrating. They quickly checked the map, marked the takedown point, and analyzed the drone data. A nearby forest lit up with unusual movement patterns, believed to be the main route of the remaining wild boar herd. Without hesitation, the team jumped into their vehicles. Engines roared to life, tires kicking up red dust across the ground. The hunt wasn't over. It had just shifted to new terrain, where the challenges would be even more unpredictable. Just minutes after leaving the field, the hunting team arrived at the edge of the next forest, marked on the map as a hot zone. The atmosphere changed instantly. Thick canopy, damp air, an eerie silence. The drone launched again, weaving below the treetops. Then, blips on the thermal screen. Not one, multiple. Something was moving in the woods. Quiet, in formation. One of the hunters crouched behind a tree, signaling silently. The team spread out, closing in on the target zone. Suddenly, a snap from the brush on the right. Before anyone could react, a large hog burst out, nearly colliding with the lead hunter. A shot rang out, missed. The hog veered hard and vanished into the trees. But then, the brush began to tremble from all directions. There was no mistaking it now. They had stepped straight into a sounder's territory, and this time, the prey wasn't running. And then, the battle began. This wasn't just a hunt anymore. It was a full-scale confrontation. Raw survival instincts against human discipline and firepower. Rifles weren't just tools now, they were lifelines. Every step, every breath balanced on the edge between control and chaos. Deep in the thick forest, there were no words, only gunfire, and the guttural roars of wild hogs. One side fought to protect their land and livelihood. The other fought because that's all they knew. And in this fight, hesitation meant defeat. As soon as the wild boars vanished into the dense forest, the hunting party immediately split up and slipped into the woods, determined not to let their prey escape. Just as they ventured deeper into the forest, a herd of over 10 wild boars suddenly burst out of the underbrush like a storm. The hunters were caught off guard, barely able to react. In the chaos, one quick-thinking hunter pulled the trigger and brought down 2 of the beasts. The rest of the herd, panicked and squealing, bolted deeper into the jungle. Wasting no time, the hunter immediately sent out a warning to the other group about the sudden danger. The moment they received the warning signal from their teammate, the hunters tensed, senses sharpened. Without hesitation, they split up, silently tracking the faint traces left behind on the forest floor. Determined to hunt down the fleeing beasts, they moved with quiet intensity. The air was thick with tension, every step charged with focus and the resolve not to let their prey slip away again. From a different corner of the hillside, another hunter spotted a separate herd of wild boars on the move. He quickly raised his rifle and pulled the trigger, but the bullet only grazed one of them. Refusing to let it get away, he gave chase, but in a sudden, terrifying turn, the boar stopped, let out a fierce snort, and charged straight at him. The unexpected counterattack caught the hunter completely off guard. He panicked and swung the rifle's butt to fend it off. But the boar was too aggressive. The blow wasn't enough to stop its fierce charge. On the other side of the hill, another group of hunters suddenly spotted a herd of over 20 wild boars fleeing in a panic. Without hesitation, they pulled their triggers, but the first shots missed. The boars didn't slow down. They crashed into the underbrush, vanishing in a flurry of snapping branches and rustling leaves. The hunters pressed on, following the trail. Suddenly, a chorus of hounds erupted nearby, sharp and urgent. One hunter raised his rifle, waited for the shot, then pulled the trigger, but missed. The wild boar spun around and bolted into the forest, vanishing in an instant. Relentless, they pressed on. At last, near the base of a large tree, they found the wild boar. Panting heavily, clearly exhausted, the hounds closed in, barking furiously, echoing through the forest. One hunter stepped forward slowly, eyes locked on the target. Then with a calm, steady hand, he pulled the trigger. The beast dropped instantly. Another wild boar was quietly sneaking through a drainage ditch, hoping to escape unnoticed. But the hounds, sharp-nosed and relentless, picked up its scent. The hunter was ready, waiting in silence. As soon as the boar emerged from the tall grass, a single shot rang out. The bullet struck it square in the head. It collapsed instantly, lifeless, into the muddy water. As they pushed deeper into the forest, they spotted another herd of wild boars trying to sneak away on the far side of the hill. Without hesitation, the hunting party moved to surround them. They split up, each taking a position to both ensure safety and cut off the boar's escape. The chase resumed, tense, focused, and more determined than ever. The hunt continued until the sun dipped behind the mountains. The golden glow of sunset bathed the forest, casting a quiet, solemn beauty over the land. In that moment of stillness, they knew this battle wasn't over. The team regrouped, exchanged a few words, and made a firm decision. They would return tomorrow. Thank you for following and supporting us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time on the next adventure.